Hey y'all. Alright, so working on a top here. I want to show y'all a little bit about how I do my rosette inlaying. So you'll remember when I was making my rosette, I was using a piece of wood that had a rosette cut in it. I use those exact same dimensions on my piece of wood right here. Now what I've done is I have marked 150 millimeters from my body joint, 12th fret, to where the center of my rosette will be. And you'll remember this tool from earlier. I used it to make braces. Well, it's also a circle tool. So this references in the center of the hole, and then this will reference the inside and outside of my circle. And what I do is I just set it on my jig, find my spot, tighten down my screw, and that's ready to cut. All I need to do is make a circle. So let's make our circle. Mark my center. I'm not too worried about tear out. I would like it to not have it, but it's okay if it does. This will be cut out eventually anyway. Flip it over, go for the other side. Turn it off. I'm ready to go. Now I need something to reference my hole with, so I'm going to set that underneath. This gives me a good positive reference. Start at the top here, work your way. Alright, there's our first line. Create the inside line. Go. There we go. All right, my next function is to take a chisel and very carefully chisel out waste. I find for this, it's helpful to be able to move your board around. You want to use a chisel that is narrower, just slightly, than that, and that is hopefully sharp. So basically I'm going to follow my line. Always working with the grain, not going against it. And I'm going to chisel out that area very slowly. level down. All the way around. I also want to make sure that I create a flat surface for gluing. So I'll continue to work my way around and do the same thing all the way. And when I get closer to the end, I'll pop back on. All right, so now I've got this pretty well done. Still have some flattening to do in here. You can see the shadows on the camera. Not quite as flat down there as I need it to be, but we're getting close. We are about 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeters all the way. And then I may make it just a little bit deeper, but you see you can get a pretty flat surface with just a chisel. So in order to get a flatter surface, you can take your chisel inside that circle and really scrape and create some fine shavings to get some of that down. It's easiest just to try to get as flat as you can with the chisel in the channel as possible, which I'll be working on. Got a little high spot right there, right here. Work my way around on that a little bit more before I put my rosette in there.